Have you ever tried Greek feta cheese pie? It's absolutely delicious, and here's how you can make it using your own homemade phyllo pastry. In a large mixing bowl, add the flour, the water, the olive oil, some salt, the egg yolk, and the vinegar. Mix and combine the ingredients and knead as much as you can stand. The dough should end up soft as a baby's cheek, says my mom. Cover the dough and let it rest for an hour. Dust your working surface. And divide the dough in 2 equal parts. Sprinkle the first of the pieces with flour. And roll it out into a thin sheet. The shape is currently not important, so if your phyllo kind of resembles the shape of the African continent, do not worry. Just try to make it as thin and large as possible. When your phyllo pastry is of a decent size, spread butter all over the surface. If you don't wish to get butter all over your sleeves like my mother, feel free to use a silicone brush. Sprinkle the phyllo pastry with some flour. And fold it until it looks like a roll. Again, spread some butter. Sprinkle with flour. And roll it to form a snail. Repeat the whole process with the second part of the dough. Let the snails rest for an hour or a night, depending on your hurry, and again roll out each one of them into a sheet. This time shape and size are important in order to fit your baking tray. When the 2 phyllo sheets are ready, let them rest, and in the meantime prepare the filling. Whisk the eggs, crumble the feta cheese, add some pepper, and mix the eggs with the cheese. Use plenty of margarine to grease your baking tray. It is obvious that my mother declared war to silicone brushes. Place one of the phyllo pastries at the bottom of the baking tray, and don't worry about the wrinkles because they will only make your pie crustier. Spread the filling evenly all over the phyllo sheet. Cover the filling with the second phyllo sheet, and again, do not worry about the wrinkles. Use a sharp knife to cut the pie in square or diamond-shaped pieces. Finally, sprinkle some olive oil. Place the tray at the lowest rack of your oven and bake at 180 Celsius degrees 30 minutes only by the bottom element and 30 more minutes both by bottom and top element. Your feta cheese pie is ready. Thank you for watching this video.